Hi there, today we are in Delhi for the launch of Xiaomi's Mi A3. Yes, the A3, the phone that gave us stock Android experience. So finally today we know its price, its availability and its variants. If you want to know it all, continue watching this video. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. Let's begin with the pricing. The Mi A3 is available in two variants. 4GB RAM and 64GB storage is for 12,999 and 6GB RAM 128GB storage is priced at 15,999. The first sale of the Mi A3 is on 23rd August at 12 noon on Mi.com, Mi Home Stores and Amazon.in. Now that we know the variants and their prices, let's have a quick hands-on. The back of the A3 is made of glass and protected with triple Gorilla Glass 5. Which means it has Gorilla Glass on the back, front and even on the camera lens. The back on the blue has a pattern gradient design and looks gorgeous. It reflects light and makes a colorful design. The one on the white reflects light to show a rainbow color effect. And grey for those who like it subtle, clean but shines like a mirror. First time in the A series is a triple camera setup. Main camera, ultra wide and depth sensor for portrait shots. More details on the camera in a while. The front is a 6-inch HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 1560 by 720 pixels. On the top is a 32 megapixel front camera, which is the best you can get currently for a selfie shot. It's almost an edge-to-edge design with just a camera notch on the top. It's running the Android stock ROM Android 9 Pie, and since it's on the Android One device, Android Q will be coming soon. The fingerprint scanner is embedded at the bottom of the display. The detection area is larger, which makes it secure, accurate and fast. Finally, a SIM slot that is hybrid. So now you can have 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card to expand your memory. At the bottom is a much louder speaker and mic along with a charging port. The charging port is USB-C, which is excellent as it also supports 18-watt fast charging. Also, the jack is back. On the top is a 3.5mm audio headphone jack along with a noise cancelling mic and infrared. Infrared is so underrated, almost disappeared from all smartphones except Xiaomi. There is so much we can control just from our phones, ACs, TVs, home theater systems and so much more. Under the hood is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chipset, which in my opinion is a great choice. Fast, light and very power efficient. It has a 4000 mAh battery which will easily survive for 2 days on a single charge. Coming to the cameras, on the rear is a triple camera setup. The primary sensor is the top of the line Sony IMX 586 48 megapixel. The second one is an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and the third is a 2 megapixel depth sensor for portrait shots. On the front is a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Let's look at some sample images I took indoors. In my limited time and lighting conditions, the images looked good. I'm sure with different environments and lighting, these would look much more better. The edge detection on the portrait images was also very impressive. You can see that the camera and background are totally blurred while the face is in focus. Here are some rear camera samples. Now this is taken with a 48 megapixel primary camera and here's the same shot with an 8 megapixel ultra wide. Frankly, with limited time and lighting environment not being very favorable, these results are just decent. Maybe in a full camera review, the images would be a lot better. Overall, the camera interface is clean and easy to use. The A3 is also protected against accidental spills thanks to the P2I splash-proof coating. Coming to the user experience. Well, it's running stock Android P. Clean, no bloatware and smooth. Fans of stock Android will love this. No ads, no tweaks, just clean Android experience. Perfect. Shall be doing a detailed review of the device, so don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss this one. Wow, what an experience it has been. The Mi A3 for 12,999 for a 64GB 4GB variant. That's amazing. Stock Android experience with a 3.5 audio headphone jack, great design, edge-to-edge design, 48 megapixel camera, 32 megapixel selfie camera. It actually ticks most of the boxes apart from the display. The display is just HD Plus, which is just 720p with the in-display fingerprint scanner. But when you see it, it's just hands-on right now. It looks quite good. So maybe with the full hands-on experience of using it every day, day to day, I'll be knowing more about it. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and give me your feedback about this video. Also, if there are any questions, do mention them down. And don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.